Hello, today we're going to be picking an Assa Abloy arrow. As you can see, there's the arrow sign, and this was pinned by Steel Pinnings, the 11th of the 10th 2016. Thank you for the lot, mate. Right, let's give it a shot. Six, 5, 4, 2, 3. So the slightest of moves. That was pin 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just release a bit of tension just in case we're overset. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4. Just give 1 a shot. No, nothing on 1, 2, 3. Slight turn on the call. So I'm going to try 1 again. Nothing on 1, 2. Start in the back again. It's 5. Now go open. There we go, open. There you go. Right, let's get this. See, I've got 2 bars on my camera, so offer you enough time. Obviously, you can lock this up because I've got a key, and I'll mummify the key. Let's take that. Let's have. There's your key bitting. Right. I can see it. Let's go. And I'll just zoom that out so I'll see what's happening. I'll just put that down there. So there we go. Right, let's go before my camera conks out. I've got 2 bars, so it should be enough, but you know my camera's gonna conk out because it'll start going blurry eyed. That's usually an indication when it starts going blurry, like in and out, blurry. That's when the battery's letting you know it's had enough. Not enough. There we go. Just put that in there a minute. See the two things there? That's why I put the little grooves in that side for. See, so it fits perfectly. Right. One side fits snugly than the other side, so I'll go for this one. There's the key pins there, so I'll try and keep it up there like that. Keep it in tight. That way there. Something's jammed. Well, that one didn't work out so good, did it? There we go, let's start again. Way there. Let's start again. Hopefully this time I can get it right. There we go. Perfecto. As you can see, look, watch. Right, let's get the wood out. 1, 2, very nice pins, but like I know myself, that's what I'm come to expect from steel pinnings. He makes some beautiful pins, especially when it comes to them tiny little locks, the tiny pins, the Chinese ones and that. God knows how it gets the serrations on them kind of things, like, so I would never have the patience. And it's all standard. As you can see, it's just all standard. And there's your keyway front. Right. Now this is a bit I hate. Getting the pins out of them and flying everywhere. Especially with these little tweezers. I'll try my best to do it professionally instead of just dumping them out. Right, the best way to do it is just let the pin come up itself. A bit further. There we go. God knows what that was. Pin and pin. Pin and pin. Let's stick that there for a minute. Number 2. Just serrated. Number 3. Looks like in the old-fashioned spools. When I get some light, I can't see a thing. Can't see a thing. Come here. I'm going to shine some light in so I cannot see. Got it. Come here, now we go. Pin and pin. Get it. Stuck that one way there. Let's see that in a minute. There's the back one there. And the one of them stuck in there. As you can see, one of them's actually stuck in the core. I'll get this one out. I've gotten it. Oops. Oh shit. Right, we'll stick that there for a minute. I'm just getting them mixed up, I think. That is the pin and pin one. That is that one, I think. And that one's that one. Right. That's a pin and pin, so I'll leave that like that. And I'm trying to leave the spring. I'm just going to leave the springs in, but I'll show you the springs are in. As you can see, it looks like he's put all different shaped springs in. There's no threading in the car, which I will show you. Can you see all different springs? Looks by the looks of it. And as you can see, the springs are all in. I'm going to have to be double quick because the camera's going to die out. Right, I've got them all in the right order, haven't I? And there's a pin and pin in number 1, which I'll pull out just to show you. There, that one goes like that, I think. I'm right. And then we'll go, and here we go. Just put that down there. Zoom it in. Before my camera dies out a bit more. There. I think that should suffice. Right, we have a number 1. I can take a serrated key spool with a lovely pin and pin. Looks like it's got serration at the top and bottom. Number 2 is a fully serrated key pin with a serrated driver. Number 3 is a key pin would look like a tapered top with a serration, where it looks like an old style spool. Then in number 4 we have a serrated key pin with a pin and pin where it looks like a serration at the top. And then number 5 a serrated key pin with a spool with a serration. Then number 6 a key pin with like it looks like tapered with one serration and an old type T. Is it a T pin or an old style spool? But there you go. There you go. An Arrow Assa Abloy, picked and gutted, and hoped you liked. And thanks for watching. Bye.